How to upload a resume on Indeed. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we will learn how we can upload resume on Indeed. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. Uploading your resume to Indeed is a straightforward process that will enhance your job searching by making it easier to apply to positions and allow employers to discover your profile. So in order to upload your existing resume, you have to visit their website, that is Indeed.com. So open up a browser, type in Indeed.com and then head over to their official website. So once you land on this interface, there is an option as post your resume. Click on it. But before that, you'll be asked to log in into your account. So first of all, log in into your account. If you don't have the account yet, you will be prompted to create one by entering your email and a setting password, or you can also use your Google or Apple account. If you already have it, sign in using your credential. Now you'll be allowed to select your resume file. Select the resume file from your device in the format such as PDF, DOCX, PDF, doc, docx and txt format. So once you are done selecting your resume, click on OK. Then Indeed will convert your uploaded resume into a digital form, and after that review the converted resume to ensure all of the information is accurate and properly formatted. If not, you can also make any necessary edits. Then you have to set your resume privacy settings. You can either choose between public, which is visible to all of the employees, or private, which is only visible to you. Now once you're done reviewing, now you can set your preference, then save your resume to complete the upload process. So in this way you can upload resume on Indeed. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.